Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best glove break-in kit is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of baseball, directly impacting your ability to field grounders, snag line drives, and make those game-changing plays. A stiff, unyielding glove can lead to missed catches, sore hands, and ultimately, frustration on the field. But fear not, fellow ballplayers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of glove break-in kits, exploring what makes them essential, and helping you choose the perfect kit to transform your glove from a rigid shell into a reliable, comfortable partner on the diamond. Number 5. Rawlings Game Ready Glove Kit. Get your glove game ready fast with this complete kit. It has everything you need for a quick and easy break-in. This kit includes everything your player needs to break in their glove and get it ready for game day. No more stiff, uncomfortable gloves. It uses a special non-petroleum, non-toxic formula. This will clean, preserve, soften, and help break in your glove. The included cloth is perfect for gently applying the Glovoleum formula. Work it into the leather for best results. Use the rubber band to help form and maintain the pocket shape of your glove. It ensures a perfect fit and feel. Everything you need is right here in one convenient kit. Get your glove ready for the game in no time. What we like. It has everything needed for a quick and easy glove break-in. The advanced formula is non-toxic and effective. If you're looking for a convenient way to shape your glove's pocket, this is the kit for you. What people say. The cloth makes the oil easy to spread. Oil soaks right in. Comes with everything you might need to break in a glove. The liquid is a bit thin, so you need to use a lot of it over time. Number 4. Hot Glove Break-In Kit. This kit has everything you need to keep your glove in top condition. It's the complete glove care solution, all in one convenient package. It quickly and safely breaks in your new glove, or restores your old one. It softens, conditions, and waterproofs, and it's completely non-toxic. This all-natural cream, with lanolin and vitamin E, cleans, softens, and restores your glove. It also helps repel rain and moisture. Use the glove wrap to maintain the shape of the pocket. Store it with a ball inside to keep it ready for action. This kit makes a great gift for any baseball or softball player. Give the gift of glove care. The Hot Glove Break-In Kit provides everything you need to break in, maintain, and preserve your glove. Get yours today. What we like. This kit covers all your bases with a complete glove care system. The heat treatment breaks in your glove quickly and safely. If you want to maintain and protect your glove for the long term, this is the best choice. What people say. Wow, the first treatment worked great. Look at the photographs. The mitt was rock hard, and after spraying then putting into the oven for 4 minutes, then working for 5 to 10 minutes by flexing, look how soft and far the one edge could bend down. It barely moved when I get it. Now it can almost fold on itself. I followed the directions exactly, and there was a very noticeable difference in the glove after only one treatment. In fact, I don't think I'll even need to treat it again because he'll be able to break it in the rest of the way by using it at practice before his game start. After just the first application, the glove was very broken in and easy to maneuver. Used 2 applications to ensure a perfect, soft feel. Number 3. TOBWOLF Baseball Glove Break-In Kit. This kit is designed to help you break in your new baseball glove quickly and easily. It includes everything you need to shape your glove and get it ready for game day. It features a mallet to help shape the glove to your hand, along with glove locks and wraps to hold it in place while it breaks in. This ensures a perfect fit and feel. Simply secure the included plastic ball inside your glove with the elastic wraps. Then, use the mallet to gently work the leather, shaping the pocket to your liking. This kit helps simulate the impact of a hard-thrown ball, softening the leather and creating a comfortable, game-ready glove. It's the perfect tool for any player. The smooth, comfortable wooden mallet protects your glove's leather while you work. No need for extra padding or protection. The finely polished mallet prevents damage to your glove during the breaking-in process. It's designed to give your glove the best possible care. What we like. It includes tools to shape your glove professionally and easily. The mallet helps form the perfect pocket quickly. If you want to be game ready fast and improve your glove's shape, this kit is for you. What people say. This kit is for breaking a new glove in. It takes time but does what is needed. I've used this set on about 7 gloves so far and it gets the job done every time. The mallet has made it through quite a lot of intense glove breaking in sessions and haven't had any problems. The wraps are quite hand breaking in with the glove wrapped around a ball. Number 2. Rhino Wax Baseball Glove Oil. It absorbs quickly to hydrate and soften the leather, making it supple and easy to use. Perfect for new or well-loved gloves. This premium oil is designed to break in your glove quickly. Get ready to catch those balls and improve your game faster. Simply apply it with a microfiber cloth, rubbing gently across the entire leather surface. Use after cleaning, before conditioning. You've invested time and money in your glove. This oil treatment will prolong its life and keep it in top condition. Made with premium cold-pressed castor oil and vitamin E, it's safe for you and your equipment. Enjoy the benefits of a 100% natural product. This product is made in the USA with high-quality ingredients. You can trust its quality and effectiveness. What we like. This oil softens and hydrates leather quickly and easily. It's made with natural ingredients and is safe for your equipment. If you need a simple way to soften and hydrate your glove, this is a great option. What people say. Best all-around glove conditioner I have found. Great for baseball mitts and leather gloves. It took a couple of applications to soften my grandson's glove. It took 2-3x to soften a new leather dog leash. Much healthier to use than most leather products for use on kid gloves and dog leash. Was easy to use and worked well to soften the leather. Originally I thought this oil discolored the gloves, but after some awesome customer service and research, this brings out the natural color of the glove, and if the manufacturer uses any dyes in the leather it will bring those out, but as far as softening the glove and adding long life to the leather, this oil was spot on. Number 1. Ultimate Glove Break-In Kit. Get ready for the season. This kit has everything you need to break in your glove quickly and easily. It's the ultimate solution for a perfectly formed pocket. Don't waste time waiting for your glove to break in. This kit helps you hydrate, soften, and shape it, getting you ready for game day faster. We've put together all the essentials: oil, conditioner, mallet, wrap, brush, and cloth. Everything you need is right here in one convenient package. The specially designed mallet helps form that perfect pocket, leading to more catches and fewer errors. It's the key to improved fielding. Whether it's a catcher's mitt, first baseman's glove, or outfielder's glove, this kit works for all sizes and types. It's perfect for players of all ages and skill levels. Get your glove game ready with the Ultimate Glove Break-In Kit. Order yours today and experience the difference. What we like. It's an all-in-one kit with everything you need for a fast and effective break-in. The mallet helps create the perfect pocket. If you want a complete solution for breaking in your glove quickly and efficiently, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. Quality ingredients: brush, mallet, and cloth. Has everything in it that you would need. It definitely softened the leather on my Pro Model 44 enough that I could use it in a game the week I received it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.